Yeah. Eh? Look at you now. Eh? All I want to say is, you see you and your wholeness? And your wholeness. Okay. And your wholeness. A wholeness. See, no, no, so what the and your wholeness got some boobs. I say, alright, me G. Me go cut off a dance. Me go some boobs and cut off a dance them because you want know people if you go work at daytime now. If you hear them one of the careless gig blood clot people here flick up and down in the blood clot dance all them and you wellness them like off a dance and the whole on the scream out. People of it. People are them like a hustling that. People this, people that. Remember, you know? Jamaica is the only country you go and you realize 4, 5, 6, 30 in the morning people are flick up and down in the street. People are flick up and down, they're not sleep yet, then there's a flick, the people are flick your phone. A flick. When you look, everybody a blood clot flick. Everybody a flick, as a kiss me ass clot. Them a flick, everybody a flick. So now Jamaica become a flicking country. Hear me to my wife. You see the ass clot. If we can't flick so, how we not do good in a blood clot gymnastics over there playing picture? Just kiss me ass clot. When you looking at dance all them in a jigo. You ever watch wrestling? Jesus Christ. When you watch wrestling, you know, when you see the other man roll up on the other man and fling the other man on the other man and swing him in back now, so you understand, so it's a combination of one there. So you're looking at dance, a big combination. You see me? Attack! You can? A be a blood clot attack. You said kiss me rascal. We think I dance me rascal. Everybody a wrestle, a grown people, they a fight. One neck. Hold on, go. You say kiss me rascal, the more dead. You say this me rascal. Then you see some very unique stunt. You see a lot of, I can't remember back in the 90s, you know, my friend, I grab and mix up in the nigga. You see, back in the 90s and 80s, them are bubbling and dancing. If he doesn't want me, alright. She got something to hide. She wants me for a clown. Someone to take for a ride. What I keep telling them, I'm too experienced. So you bubble, you know what you taste. You have a dragon in the hand, you see my blood clot. You say, yo, selector, one more time. That back in the 80s, you know, bubbling segment. You will have a mama, your blood clot, bubble for mama, you know, so now go make blood clot, baby. Good blood clot, touch a play there, your ears, well, you see my blood clot, Gregory Isaac. Night nurse, only you alone can quench this thirst. You say kiss my blood clot at them, you see, in a dance, you see, hold them, reach out, draw them in back and wind up on them, you know. You see, when you see it start come down to the 90s now, the whole dancers start perish, you know. Me say the whole of Jamaica economy start perish. Me say when you come on to the 90s, when you hear them a skin out first, you know, because in the 90s, then come out with the blood clot. Butterfly. Everybody a blood clot butterfly. I kiss my ass clot, everybody. Butterfly. Whole a skin out, my friend. Girl him off your face. Girl him off your beamer. Remind me of the Benz and the girl a skin out in a dance. And a jam. Some blood clot jam. You say my ass clot. You say Jesus Christ. The whole pussy skin out in a the blood clot dance. Beanie man a play merciless. I play ya say me blood club. Me the girl them gizzarda. Be a hot girl me walk round and a sada. Well, girl I say me hot harder. And this a dance outside perish, you know. When you look, everybody keen out in a dance and that's a joke. And you say, kiss my rascal. And yes or no, you say, alright, this have to be the worstest dancehall can get. You say to yourself, kiss my rascal, dancehall can get no worse on this. A rascal, it can't get no worse on this, you know. Boom, come the early 2000s, no, you know. Kiss my rascal, you know. New millennium, you know. This is when time they say Jesus Christ did come, you know. I remember when time here 2000 come, everybody blood clot run Ghana church, you know. Everybody give their soul and them blood clot heart to God, you know. This is the new blood clot millennium, you know, good as I mean, tell you, say, them the time that went to Lagan, Step and Chichi, man. Them the time there, at that Aguan. You see me, I deal with. We have a plane and them the signal the plane, Mr. Signal the plane, roll like a boat. Them the time they are passa time. Them the time they are dirty Friday time. Them that time when them are beating in your head with the blood clot hacky limb. The hacky limb are walking in your bumper clot in your ass. Kiss my ass clot. That's how I can get no worse than this. Dancehall cannot get no worse than hockey limb. When you look Monday up in a blood clot hockey tree, you have to wonder, kiss my rascal. Then that on a Kingston 10. How is what blood clot hockey tree come from in a dance? Monday up in a hockey tree, chuck out. Man go pan blood clot, jerk pan, chuck pan girl, bloom in a road. I say, kiss my ass. Dancehall cannot get any worse. It can't. Remember said that I knew millennium when God did that coming up. But in that case, God never bother come and then can continue the fuckery. Boom now! Jesus Christ, the early 2000s that gone, you know. You see one time you see it reach to 2000 and blood clot 9 I got 10. When time this year one nether millennium. Jesus Christ. I know wheelbarrow people there. Wheelbarrow reaching a dance, Jigo, hold bicycle. Tarpaulin, Jigo, hold mattress. In a blood clot, jerk pan. Them a lock up girl, and a jammy blood clot jerk pan. Girl in a jerk pan, a man a fucking jerk pan, Jigo. You see me? Them your time, you know, my friend. What do you see? This a brother here, wall out girl leg, and then the other one, dashing friend in her crutches, good as. This other millionaire, I'm in my tens that. You said then good as. Dancehall can't get any worse than this. It can't. I mean, what the fuck? You understand me? Then when time you're looking at the 2010 after that, the time they're coming in now to this a decade, the 2020 decade, kind of how a new decade this start, you know what they are going at the early part, you know, the finishing in our teens, they, you know, good as the last part, you know. You see, that time there, everything changed. How are we start worrying I dance, you know? We start broke boy pocket in a dance, boy, you jam you take out money out of boy pocket in a dance, you know. No man all a jam you, and then just jam you girl around and tap in your thinking dirty hole. Nowadays when time man a fuck in your hole and just kick in your hole and drop you on your blood clot face. Man nowadays in this a decade they jam you on your blood clot face and drop you on ground. When you look nowadays you have a trinity. Share them. When you see the three of them come, the whole of them coming like blood clot last kid man. They fling the one another from this to this, so you know they one another blood clot. And you say then kiss my rascal, they make girl enough your blood clot dance. They make girl if you go in a wrestling ring or ECW this. You say kiss my rascal. When you see the one they flick up, the one that drop, the one they in a pussy, and then the one they split, and then the other one flick off on him, you say ras. They make girl practice hard. Yes, I kiss my rascal. A joke thing this, my J. No dancehall coming like a show. You wonder when it start. boy night 2, 3 o'clock in the blood clot morning. When you look 4 o'clock in the morning, and them your blood clot time your wrestling match start. Nobody in the dance now blood clot pay attention to music again. They just watch a blood clot piranha, them a flick up and down. Tapalin come out now and them put out that one you spread out, that one you hold and chuck in another one there. And chuck and kick up and flick up in another one there. So the only reason why you see me go down in a decade them so is you wonder why surprised there. Say somebody did I go dead. Me I wonder what is the big woo frenzy about? We never know say somebody got dead long time. The whole heap of flickings and chuckings how we been a seeing a dancer. Why me hear everybody but kiki whoopsie do bawling? Why so much crying? You never know say somebody did like a succumb to you fucker when I did them. You never know say the whole heap of blood clot gymnastics activity when nobody not practice for daytime. Why only did so surprised say the magnum gymnastics never did kill somebody long time? Why everybody surprised say the outdoors gymnastics murder somebody now? Oh, somebody never know say this gymnastics activity where the Jamaicans take place with the dance without blood clot coaching. Oh, no, never know, so then did I go succumb to it one day? Oh, no, me not like this because, yeah, oh my God. I can't believe this. What about the kids, huh? What about this? What about that? Hey, between me and you know, not between me and nobody else, you know, but between me and Ono. Ono know now, fucker. Yeah, man. A long time, I want to tell the son I fuck you, man, but me never too really want to tell the BG. You see me? Yeah, man. Our more go dead. Because B, one thing me I telling you in a Jigo. Nobody cares surprise about this Jigo. Jamaica do not have a fucking gymnastics scholarship, nor gymnastics program of Jamaica. More than every day you find this one amount and get out salt mackerel and tin mackerel and bumbuckler, quarter pound of saltfish gala. Get up a flick up and down in a blood clot street. Them a jump from tree to blood clot tree. How what do you see what Nissan Sonny pick up one of them in a middle road there to blood clot like half in a church? Me say Nissan Sonny pick up him bumbuckler front of middle road, flick up on his head top, and the Nissan Sonny clot him out of road. Because me get fi understand say when the sorrel beer touch them gyal nowadays because they not drink anything. You know. When the sorrel beer with the mix up with the magnum touch them, a problem. When you see the same piece of magnum, you know, send them in a middle road, you know. If you go turn up on the head top, you know. Any oncoming blood clot traffic, you know, I feed them it. Take it. You see me? Them a girl move to the extreme. I forgot say a enjoyment then come out for, but them a work. Cause somebody say a 3,500 Jamaican dollar. Them girl pick up for themselves at night time go flick up and down so far. You know so now fucker. One motherfucker. Yeah, here you go. Here you go. No show on our ships. More and telling us so now fuck a long time, but me just never did do it. Here you go, know. This a girl, why? Lord God, the whole girl and get up every bumbo clot there. Jamaica tend themselves in a one bag of blood clot carpet. In a dance, all them to pussy clot. When people go in a dance nowadays, nobody no go in there to go enjoy themselves and sit down and drink 2 juice. Turn up in a one corner and bunks 2 berries to blood clot. No, everybody want go in a dance, I'll go to the carpet. Lie down a ground for some of the boy pitney chuck off our rooftop on them. Or some of the girl pitney flicking at them stomach. Or some of the girl pitney flick up on them back when them a blood clot go up a head top. How happen now? How are the automatic blood clot, this and that? Back in the days when the nurse in a girl are dead in a dance, I must because I fuck crew, I don't know. Back in the days, no girl in a dance, I'll not do them something. You understand me, idea? Back in the days, you know, you no girl pitney. I dead them, they'll go wild weird. Oh, no, 2 blood clot wild. Oh, that set a dancing, yeah? What go on in a dance hall? That is not dancing, that's a wildness. A wild on a fucking wild. Oh, no wild. Oh, no 2 pussy clot wild youth. None of that are not dancing. Oh, no kill on a blood clot one another and they don't know what people sorry for, no? Oh, no wild. I don't want to catch. Fuck, do no. That look like dancing too, no? I'm not too fucking wild. This wall if I flick up and down, throw down on the silver ground. Me see someone slap up on the head in the ground, buff a ground. Me wonder how no blood clot gone in a coma yet. Me wonder how someone in a pussy clot coma. So when me own a blood clot about, girl succumb to it. Uno go suck on a mama. Uno sister them a cast this pan and say, we're sorry for that. Not them who are going in